Hi everyone, I am JP Singh, a Microsoft certified trainer. So in this video, I am going to discuss with you a consolidation, which is a very interesting topic of Excel. So first of all, understand the scenario, guys. I have different sheets. I have a sheet west, east, south, and north, and just look at the sheets. We have a sheet west where we have a product 1 to product 15 sorted data with us from January to December. We have the data, and this is a sales data from west region. Product 1 to product 15 product are all sorted and properly arranged. Now, when I'm coming to the east, I'll get the data from east people. That data is basically from P1 to P5 and then P11 to P15. There is no data of P6 to P10. Reason may be anything. They are not working on this data. They are not selling these project, or there is no sale of that particular project. That could be reason. From January to December, that is perfectly fine. So now when I am coming to the south data, so I receive the data from south. So the data is P1, P2, P3. Now P4 sales is not there, but P5 sale is there. So instead of adding these two rows together and send as an unique row to me, the people send this P5 row two times to me. Similarly, this P6 row two times to me. So there is a duplicacy of the uh, product ID, not the values or record, but the product ID. So we should manually sum this in some cases. So we can do that. So we have some missing data and some repetitive products with us from again January to December. Now when I am coming to a north data, we have a product 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then some random data is there. Some data is missing and some data is not sorted accordingly. So we'll get that data. Sorting is not a big deal, we can do here, but still we receive this type of data. And when I look into the month, we have January, February, March. We do not have April, May and June. Directly from July, August, September, October and November, December. So maybe the April, May, June data is not there due to some no sales is there, or they started their business in the month of July, whatever may be the reason. But these different data I receive. This is a 4 sheet. This may be a maybe 10 sheet, maybe 20 sheets, or maybe a different 20 files. That is also possible. No. So what is my requirement? I need to create a consolidation as an all region data together. What is the total sale product wise? So this is we have to do. How we can do that? We just take my cursor to that point where I want to start my report. Go to the data tab. In the data tab, we have an option called consolidate. So I click on to the consolidate option. It will show a window to me. And then when we see here, what function you want to apply with the data, which is a numerical data measure we have, you want to apply sum, count, average, minimum, whatever function you want to apply. So in this case, I will choose sum. So now I will choose a reference and I'll go to the sheet west, select the data and add this data. This data will appear into the all reference. Now similarly with the east, I select the data and add. Similarly with the south, add is mandatory, you have to click on add. Similarly in the case of north. So this is the way we can choose that. If the data is from some other workbook, you can choose a browse option and select that particular data also. So when you see the next option, use label in, we can take a top row and a left column as a label. So this is again in the case if you have only top row or the left column, you can choose even one or both. In my case, it is both. Next option is interesting. The create link to source data. It means whatever changes is be there into the west, east, south, north sheet will be updated here in the form of numbers. So if you require that, you can click on that, the link will appear, or you can leave this, it's an optional. So I click on to OK. Now see, I am leaving it and I click on OK. Now we can see we can have a pan data, which is an all region data. So this is not sorted, very simple to work on that. We can select that and make this sorted. So the data is now sorted. You will get a proper data with all the total records available in the four region. So you will get the consolidation in a minute. Thank you so much guys. Hope this will help you. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching, keep learning.